Respected elders, dear sisters and brothers, my hearty pranams to all of you. I am extremely happy to share that our dear and respected brother, our ex-President of India, Sri Ram Nath Kovindji, has agreed to be the chairman of the celebration committee of Pujya Babuji Maharaj's 125th birth anniversary. This is going to be a year-long event, starting with Basant Panchami celebrations, commemorating Pujya Lalaji Maharaj's birth anniversary, many more Yog Mahotsav all across, Dhyanotsavs, nationwide Heartfulness meditation sessions in various customized forms to suit the local needs and culture. Pujya Babuji Maharaj is the most eminent spiritual scientist of our times. Not only our times, but it's very rare to find such an individual in the entire history who heralds a new age of humanity. He declared about 100 years ago what the greatest scientists found in the last 10 years, namely, the biggest dangers to our planet are in the minds and hearts and not outside. So the solutions, they must be found here in our heart. The heart is the matter. World peace must start with peace in individual minds and hearts. The power of yogic transmission or the pranahuti creates remarkable character transformation through change in our consciousness. Our ancient spiritual traditions are being revived on a mass scale, and a new energy to unite humanity through spirituality is now awakened to expand globally. This is going to create a new civilization. My heart truly brims with joy that my dearest brother Sri Ram Nath Kovindji, who is also a very devoted and dedicated abhyasis of our organization, of our Sri Ramchandra mission, would guide us all as the chairman of the celebration committee of Pujya Babuji Maharaj's birth anniversary and make this momentous occasion a grand success. With his guidance, let's make this year a celebration of spirituality. Thank you all. Namaskaram.